Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Sunil. My simulation title is Arduino based GSM Communication System. These projects enable to remotely control and monitor devices by sending SMS or making call. In this project, I use an Arduino, a GSM module, two virtual terminal and an I2C LCD display to manage communication with external device. An Arduino Uno as the brain of the system. The GSM module handles communication over the cellular network. I'll also be using two virtual terminals to interact with the system and an LCD display for visual feedback. Here, a virtual terminal are used to send command and monitor response from the GSM module, and the LCD provide a simple way to check the status of the system. The GSM module is of a transmitter terminal is connected to the pin number 7 and RX terminal of the GSM is connected to the pin number 8 of the Arduino for serial communication. The input virtual terminal is connected to the hardware UART on pin 0 and 1, while the backend virtual terminal monitors GSM communication on the same pin as the GSM module. The I2C LCD is connected to the I2C bus on pin number A4 and A5. I'll open first the simulation, then run the simulation. Then here you can see the two virtual terminal are showing. First is input virtual terminal and other one is backend virtual terminal. In here I will send the SMS S for sending message, and when I will type C, then it will initiate the call. As you can see, when I type yes, the LCD shows sending message and the virtual terminal confirms the message was sent. When I type C, the system initiate a call and LCD updates with